Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be discussing about the voltage divider rule known as VDR. So these are the voltages. Then we want to find V1 and V2 using the voltage divider rule because we don't know the amount of voltage in across this resistor and we don't know the amount of voltage across this resistor. So we'll use the voltage divider rule to get the voltages V1 and V2. To find V1, you multiply the total voltage here times the resistance of the resistor you want to find its voltage. So you multiply the total voltage Vt by the resistance of the resistor you want to find the voltage across. Now we want to find the voltage across resistor R1, that's V1. So we multiply it by the resistance of R1. So we multiply it by the resistance of this, which is R1, over the sum of the resistance of the two resistors connected in series. If there are more than two, you also add them, you also put them, it will be R1. If there may be three resistors here, it will be R1 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Up to, even though they are up to 20, you add all the 20 resistance of all of them, and the one you want to find its voltage, you put it as the numerator, multiplied by the total voltage. And the resistance of the one you want to find is the voltage across, you put it as the numerator, multiplied by the total voltage. In the same way, we want to find the voltage across R2, which is V2. We multiply the total voltage by the resistance of that resistor divided by the sum of the resistance of the two resistors connected in series. Or if there are more than two, you add everything. But the one that we put as the numerator is the one we want to find the voltage across. So the voltage divider rule is given by the voltage of the resistor equals the resistance of the resistor you want to find the voltage across divided by the sum of all the resistance of all the resistors connected in series times the total voltage. So this is the general formula. And note that the voltage divider rule can be applied to any number of resistors connected in series. It's not like the current divider rule that is only applied to only two resistors connected in parallel. So this voltage divider rule can be applied to any number of resistors connected in series. So in this one, it is the resistance of the one that I want to find the voltage across that is the numerator. Unlike the CDR, the current divider rule, that is the other one that you put. So this one is more straightforward than the current divider rule. So that's all. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.